Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Sonata Hybrid. This all-new hybrid has all the style and premiums you expect in a Sonata, along with 37 city, 39 highway miles per gallon. And unlike other hybrids on the market, it uses a breakthrough lithium polymer battery pack, which runs cooler, lighter, and is shapeable for optimum packaging. More power, less fuel, no guilt, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost, hands-free communication. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.